Hello friends, today in this video let me show you how to use this SQL Server Max date function, right? So if you want to retrieve the max date from a particular table, how you are going to do in SQL Server, right? So as part of this video tutorial, we are going to discuss four simple methods to do this. The first one will be using the max function which is provided by SQL Server the by default function, right? The second approach is how we can use subquery with group by, and the third approach will be how we can use row underscore number function to achieve this, and the fourth and the final approach will be finding the records with the overall latest date, right? Now what I'll do, I'll navigate to my SQL Server Management Studio, but before that, I have already written the all these queries in a notepad. From the notepad, I will copy those queries. I will execute those and show you the output, and I will make you understand there. And then we will see the overall output what we are getting here. Because if I'll start writing all these queries, the video will be unnecessarily. It will be very much lengthy, right? So I have kept it in a notepad. I will copy from there and I will show it to the output. And in the same topic, I have also written an article. That article link also I am going to put it in the video description. If you want to copy these queries and all, you can go to that article and copy these queries and utilize. Okay. Now let me go to the SQL Server Management Studio. Now you can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio, and I have few database here. If you can able to see, so I have a database called test where we are going to execute all these queries. I will click on the new query window. Now I'll go to the notepad and I'll copy these queries one by one. Okay, so let me just copy this. I will let me paste this. You can able to see this is the query, guys. This is the default function, that is the max function, right? Or the maximum function that is provided by SQL Server. And here we are passing, this is the order underscore date column. This is the date column as most recent order. From orders is the table name. Okay. Now if I'll execute this query, you can able to see we got the expected output. This is the max date, right? That we got as expected. So this is the query, guys. And let's go to the next approach where we will see how we can use the group by with the order by, how we can use the subquery with the group by, right? This is the second approach as I told you. Let me just copy this query. See, these are bigger queries. If I'll start writing here, it will help take hell lot of time. So which will make the video unnecessarily lengthy, right? So what I thought is I will write the queries and I will show it to you here, right? So if you'll see here, this is the query, guys. Select O dot order underscore ID. This is the ID column, and then same way date and the order name from orders O, right? Then inner join, we are using the subquery here. Select order ID and order date. This is the using the max function as the maximum date from orders. Then group by the order ID, and then latest on this O dot order ID, then latest dot order ID, right? So and then O dot order date equal to latest dot max underscore date, right? Here it is max underscore date that we are saving this value, right? Maximum order date as the max underscore date, right? So this is the complete query, guys. If I'll execute it, you will get the better clarity. You can able to see we got it as expected, right? So we got the expected output, guys. Now we will go to the next approach. Now we will go to the next function where we will use the row number function, right? How we can use the marks date along with the row number function, right? See, if I'll go here and copy this query and I will paste it here, right? With ranked orders as select, then order underscore ID, order date, order name, then row number over partition by order ID, order by order date, descending as Rn from orders, right? Select order underscore ID, order date, order name from ranked orders, right? That we are defining here, where Rn equal to 1. If I'll execute this query, You can able to see we got the expected output here, right? So this is the way you can use the row number function here, right? And let's move to the next approach. I will just go to the notepad and copy that queries, finding the overall latest date, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to the notepad and copy this query. I'll just copy it and I will go here and paste it, right? So here you will see select order underscore ID, order underscore name, order underscore date from orders, where order underscore date. Here we are using select marks order date from orders, right? As a subquery. So if I'll execute this, I'm able to see we got the expected output here, right? So this is how you can use the max date function to get the maximum date, and how we can use this similar other function, right? Like a row number function and all we have seen here as part of this video tutorial, right? So this is how you can use max date function in SQL Server. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to get the max date in SQL Server, and these are the approaches you can utilize for that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips, Azure tips, and different helpful Azure PowerShell commands and many more. Thanks a lot again, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.